today's video, we're going to review the basic parts of a hearing aid and review also how we can clean and maintain them to make sure they're working the very best for us each and every day. Now, most of the time between 3 and 4 months, we like to have you come out and see a provider so they can do a nice deep cleaning for you. But in between visits, what you can do as a hearing aid user is pretty simple. First off, we want to make sure we know what we're looking at. So here's our hearing aid. This is where most of the magic happens. We have a receiver that is connected to the hearing aid. It is pushing the sound out to a speaker, and that is what's underneath here. On top of that speaker, we have what's called a dome. A dome is what traps the sound inside of our ear and makes sure we're hearing super good. So we want to take this dome off, and underneath that is sometimes wax can really build up. So if you take a small brush, you can brush off the buildup of wax and get that out of there. We have some more specific videos on what you can do with a wax guard, but this is just to show you real quick. You'll take one end of your wax guard and place it in there, remove that wax guard, and put in a nice brand new one so that it filters out the sound exactly how you need to. Once that is off there, you can put your dome back on. So that is placing on there. Make sure you push it nice and tight so it's nice and firm. We don't want that sliding off. Then lastly, with your brush, you can just brush out the microphones here. This is what picks up the sound. So if we have that nice and clear, the hearing aid will be working great for you.